about being in Quito, Ecuador.
Aventura, Quito, Ecuador.
Quito, Ecuador, juntos.
Juntos todos juntos.
So we just got here. It's 9,100 feet on the ground here in Quito. So we're going for a little high altitude city tour adventure. We got here early this morning. Took a little nap once we got checked in the hotel, and now we're on the hunt for some groceries. We're up here ready to go on the double-decker city tour bus and see Quito.
Take a tank, in for Lopez.
So here it is, we're up here on the roof, checking out our tour bus for the next few hours. It's called a hop-on, hop-off bus, so we're gonna be able to pick where we want to get off and jump back on whenever. Today we are going up the cable car to the top of a mountain around the city. We're going up to 13,900 feet. Rode up on the cable car, had a little coffee, relaxed a little bit. Now we're making our way up to the big mirador, the big viewpoint up here on the top where there's a swing. Taking our time since we're at about 14,000 now. Well, it's damn cold up here. So in the city today it was about 60. Up here today it's about 35, 40, but the wind is howling, so, and it's overcast, so there's no sun. So we're taking our frozen asses back to the cable car. We're here in Baños, Ecuador. Yeah, we're about to get killed by cars. So the deal is today, we came in from Quito on a 3/4 hour bus ride where we stopped every 5 minutes, I'm pretty sure, to pick up people to pay cash who weren't actually supposed to be on the manifest, but whatever. Point is now, we're in Baños and we're about to go do some adventure. We're going ziplining, we're going canyoneering, and tomorrow we're gonna tackle this sucker right here. We're gonna go river rafting, whitewater rafting. Anna and I have never done whitewater rafting together before, so Aventura. Aventura, ready for action. Adios, mi esposa. Here's the first zip line. We're gonna go from this tower 200 meters over the top of that river and then down through that canyon, through that inlet. Okay. Okay. Woohoo! Você nervosa?
Ai, Jesus!
Why? Gigi elas, né? Deitar, por favor. Here we go, ready?
Ai, meu Deus.
Beijo, né? Eu te amo.
Também te amo.
I'm not nervous, but I am excited for this. All right. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, baby! Yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah! Oh, yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo! 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 Ay, ay, ay! Woo! That's awesome. Was it gusta? Yeah. They're like, oh, crazy. Now we're in this big ass cave. All right. Woo, there's your bridge. Punchy. For our next adventure, we're going across this crazy looking bridge. There's not really much of a bridge to it. It's got about one step every 3 feet for, looks like a good 100 meters. Yeah. It's awesome. Okay. Look at Senor go. This sucks. Alright, I absolutely regret this. doing great. Look at that. Your woman's got nerves of steel. Bom, você gosta?
Desce muito nervoso.
Okay, the next adventure is to climb this cliff ladder. One rung at a time, locking in, lock and load. Are you ready? Pronto. Round 2. Fala, né? Go time.
Okay, man, ready?
Ready.
1, 2, 3.
Woohoo!
Look at that, baby! Oh, yeah! Woo, yeah!
Oh shit! Look at this! It's a tight fit! Oh Lord, now we're going backwards. Aye!
¿Qué tal? ¿Cómo estuvo?
Very
¿Todo
awesome,
bien?
awesome. Good time, good time.
¿Cómo se?
Very good, very good. So I wrapped up my last zip line. Now Ani's gonna come across the river again. I'm gonna try to get as good a footage as I can of her coming across. This is just such an incredible, I guess you call it an underdrop. It's not a backdrop, but what an amazing geography to get to do this in. Blessed. Woohoo! Holy crap, she was hauling ass. That is the best.
You like it? I love it. Empezamos las vibras, con altura nos quedamos arriba. En el aire tiene que ser libra, fuerte, me llaman sativa, suave. Mantecadito, manteca, manteca, mantecadito. Mantecadito, manteca, manteca, bien sabrosito.
All right, another day. Today's adventure is going to be river rafting. So Ani and I have never gone whitewater rafting together. We've done kayaking in the sea and things like that. But this is going to be very different. You ready? Pronto?
Sim, muito aventuroso de chuva, muito frio.
Yeah, we didn't get the best weather today, but maybe it'll clear up. It's been rainy and it's very overcast all over the mountains. So we'll see what's going on. I don't think it's going to matter once we get down there in those rapids, though. It's going to be
É, não sei. Aventura.
aventura.
Grupinho aventura.
Todo de nuevo y circulazo se mueve, tembleque, tembleque, pa' arriba, pa' abajo, moviendo a dos lados, playa y trago, tembleque. Empezamos las vibras, con altura nos quedamos arriba, en el aire tiene que ser.
Well, there's our ride for the day. We're taking this bad boy on the river.
Mantecadito, manteca, manteca.
What are you laughing about, woman? You laughing at my outfit? Shit. Today, Ane is hitting the rapids in her super Hopper. All I have questions though. What are those? They're putting gas in the boat.
Yes, the gas.
Yeah.
The rabbit is Titanic. They have alligators, piranhas.
That's right. We're gonna have all sorts of problems here. This is the Titanic. This one.
Titanic.
The other one's the Queen Mary. Do guitar, Guns N' Roses. Sweet child of mine. All right, Brazil, Germany, Alemania, Norway. Okay, where? Norway? Ireland. All right. Wow, we got a lot of countries represented. I'm Texas. Get to work back there, Brazil. Survival, Brazil. There and turn him over now. He did it himself. Self-punishment. On it. Eso.
You see?